right, we're done with part A of the experiment. Well, collecting the data, that is. Now we're going to clean up. These test tubes we've been using, we want to dispose of the things properly. Most organics can't go down the sink drain, such as dibenzoyl ethylene. We don't want to put that down the drain, we'll put it in our waste bottle. Also, the hexane solvents, they'll always want to go in the waste bottle too. Only things like maybe like succinic acid, that's a common thing in nature. That can probably go down the drain, but not in the hexane. You don't want the hexane going down the drain. Methanol and water can go down the sink drain. So these are the only two, the water and the methanol that can go down the sink drain. All the other ones should be put in our waste bottle. So let's bring it over to the waste bottle. I'll just take my solution. This one's the succinic acid and hexanes, and I'll pour that into the waste bottle. A lot of my succinic acid might still be stuck at the bottom of this. See, there it is, yeah. So what we use to try to get that out is, well, actually succinic acid can go down the sink drain, so I could just let this sit and evaporate the rest of the hexanes, maybe until the next lab period. But if I'm in a rush, maybe I should probably do that. I want to show you what else I do. I can add a little acetone to that. Acetone is a great source for dissolving anything, so that could like dissolve it quicker. Try to get all that solid out. Now there's still a little bit in there, but I know I got most of my hexanes out. I have acetone in there. I'm going to let that sit actually until next lab period. That'll give it enough time to evaporate all the acetone, all the hexane. I can wash that succinic acid down the sink. Okay, so next up, I'll show you an example of dibenzoyl ethylene and hexanes. Dump that in the waste container. Most of the solids stay on the bottom. So let's try to get that out with the acetone. This is something we can't put down the sink drain at all. Dibenzoyl ethylene. So let's clear that up. Dumped it kind of fast. One more small acetone rinse. Let's try not to use too much acetone, just use small portions at a time. Looking good, dump that. Okay, now this is got pretty much all of that out of it, so I can wash it in the sink drain. But after I let the acetone evaporate. So I'm going to set these aside as ones that need to evaporate their acetone so that they can be washed in the sink. I'll do the rest